Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read direct speech to indirect speech. Students, in our previous video lecture, we have read direct to indirect speech of imperative sentence. Here, student, in this video lecture, we are going to read imperative sentence starts with let. How to change direct speech into indirect speech of the sentence that it starts with let. Now come on here, students. First of all, we are going through the rules. So rule number 1, change the reporting verb say, says, said into propose, proposes, proposed, suggest, suggests and suggested. Now student, second rule, use that in inverted, for inverted comma, what we use? That in indirect speech. Number 3, remove let. There is no use of let in indirect speech. Number 4, student, use we or they in indirect speech instead of us. Now number 5, we or they should plus V1 verb first form. This is the structure of after that in indirect speech. After indirect speech, student, this is the structure of the sentence after that. So follow all these rules. Come on, with the help of example, let it clear. Number 1. Example number 1. Mohan said to his friend, let us go to the cinema. So Mohan proposed or suggested. Anyone we can write, student? Proposed or suggested to his friend. What is the object here? To his friend. So to his friend we will write here that. After that the use of that for inverted comma. Now we or they. Anyone we can write. We or they. Then after should and V1. So V1 is go here to the cinema. Mohan proposed or suggested to his friend that we or they should go to the cinema. Number 2. I said to the villagers, let us help the poor. Student. So I propose to the villagers. Propose or suggested, anyone we can write. I have written here propose. So I propose to the villagers that, and then after we or they. So I have written here we, then after should, and then V1 help the poor. So I propose to the villagers that we should help the poor. Now example number 3, students. The children said, let us play together. So the children suggested that. There is no object, so only the children suggested that let us play together. So we should V1 play and together we should play together. Now number 4, student, he said let us work for the nation. So he proposed or suggested. So I have written here proposed. He proposed that. Now we plus should plus V1 work for the nation. So he proposed that we should work for the nation. Number 5, student, he said let us go for a walk. So he suggested that. After that we or they, so write we here, and then after should, then V1 go for a walk. So he suggested that we should go for a walk. Now student, if let is used for indicating wish or desire. So there is a little bit change here. If let is used for indicating wish or desire, not proposing. So what we will use here? First rule here, student, rule number 1, change the reporting verb in wish, wishes or wished. Because here let is going to indicating what? Wish or desire. That's why. Now rule number 2, student, use that for inverted comma. Same thing. Number 3, remove let. This is also same. Number 4, follow the rule of change of person. So there are a little bit change here, that is reporting verb and change of person. So come on, with the help of example, get it clear. Example number 1. Vivek said, let me go out. So student, Vivek what? Wished. Because it is the wish of Vivek. That's why Vivek wished. Why wished here? Because it is said here, past tense. Now after student, the use of that. Then me. What is me here? Me is first person. and it is written in objective case, but we will write here in subjective case. So me, first person according to Vivek. So according to Vivek, what will be? He. So he, then after should, and V1 go and out. That he should go out. Now number 2 student. Veena said, let him be my husband. So student, this is the wish of Veena. That's why Veena wished that. Now him is what student? Third person, no change, but we will write in subjective case. So here he. We can't write him. What we write? He. Him is the objective form, but we write in subjective form. So he should be, and now here my is first person, so according to Veena. So what will be here? Her. For Veena, what will be here? Objective case, her husband. Here her is what? It is possessive of Veena. Veena is girl, and that's why for Veena she, and for what is the possessive of she here? Her husband. So Veena wished that he should be her husband. Now next example students. She said, let me live with him. So come on here. First here, let me. We will work here till let me. So she wished that. Now she wished that. Me is what? First person. So according to she, what will be the subject here? She. Now after that, should plus V1, leave, and then after student, with, and then him. Him is third person, so no change. So write here him. She wished that she should live with him. Now number 4 example. She said, let me live with him. The sentence is repeated here by mistake. She wished that she should live with him. Now number 5 student. You said, let me do what I like. So student, so you wished that. Now me is what? First person. So according to the subject, what is the subject here? You. So write you here. Then after should plus B1, do, and then after what I like. So what I like student, what? I is first person according to the subject. So according to the subject, you, and like change of tense, liked. V1 change into V2. So here you liked. You wished that you should do what you liked. So student, we have got here 5 sentences of the sentence that start with let and that indicating what? Wish or desire. So in this video lecture student, we go through the direct speech to indirect speech, the sentence that starts with let. In the next video lecture student, I will come with the other examples of special rules of direct to indirect speech. So keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos student. Subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you once again.